Daily cleaning and maintenance. Introduction. Before carrying out any exterior cleaning, set the machine to 0 power, i.e. machine switched off. Chamber cleaning brush. With the machine off, slide out the grounds drawer and open the door. Using a brush, clean any coffee buildup or residues from the piston and chamber of the pouring group, and clean any other parts that are soiled with coffee. Ground coffee tunnel cleaning brush. With the machine off, slide out the grounds drawer and open the door. Open the decaffeinated coffee drawer and use the brush provided to remove any coffee residues on the conveyor sides. Tray. Clean the drip tray with hot water and soap, using a brush if necessary. Full wash. To wash the machine, switch it on and proceed as follows. Place a container of water alongside and insert the suction tube. Then add the nuovo SIMONELLI specific cleaner, pulley milk. Then press and hold down the 2x clean key for about 6 seconds until the display reads washing. Open door and insert detergent. Close door. Open the front door and insert the nuovo SIMONELLI detergent tab, pulley calf, inside the pouring chamber. Clean the bottom of the top piston, the shower with a damp cloth and close the door. The washing process will start automatically and the display will show the chosen function. The dose keys are disabled during washing. At the end of the cycle, the display will read rinsing, press enter. Place a container of clean water alongside the machine and press enter. The machine will carry out a rinse cycle and the display will read rinsing. Pouring nozzle wash. To access the pouring nozzle, the service engineer will need to switch off the machine and unhook the plastic cover from the pouring nozzle, and then remove the pouring nozzle by pressing the clip at the back and unhooking it from its original position. Remove the top of the steam and milk pipes and take the cappuccino maker out of the pouring nozzle by sliding it upwards, then dividing it into its 4 parts and washing them all carefully in cold water. To refit the parts, follow the instructions in the back of the control panel.